Hello, sixth graders. Children, in the last session, we did the prepositions like on, at, into, upon, and many more which are used on multiple occasions. I hope you have done the related assignment and gone through the video again. Today, we will study about certain more prepositions which are frequently used. The first one of them is from. Children, this is page 318 of your BBC. Now, from is used to indicate source, starting. I received a letter from my brother. From what source I received a letter? From my brother. To indicate purpose, what is the objective? Nobody can stop me from winning the gold medal. Objective, my purpose is to win the gold medal. After the word different, for example, sometimes you say I am different from my sister, like yogurt is different from plain curd. To indicate time, the school reopens from 5th April. What is the starting time? From, say. To indicate reason, my mother suffers from acute migraine. What is the reason? The reason is acute migraine. To show the starting point, the train from Chennai has arrived. What is the starting point of the train? That is Chennai. To show the origin of something or somebody. She is from China. What is the origin? China. कहाँ से है? China से. To indicate duration of time, distance, when used with to or till. He worked from morning to or till evening. From morning to evening, that is duration is from morning to evening. Also it can be used from one place to another, like we say every day my teacher travels from Mohali to Chandigarh, from one place to another place. Okay, next preposition